Hello. Today we are going to learn mobile development and software development. In Module 4 we have these topics: native app development e.g. iOS, Android hybrid app development e.g. React Native, Flutter. Native app development refers to the process of creating mobile applications that are specifically designed to run on a particular operating system, such as iOS or Android. Native apps are developed using programming languages and development tools that are specific to the target platform, such as Objective-C or Swift for iOS, and Java or Kotlin for Android. Native app development typically offers a higher level of performance and a more seamless user experience than other types of mobile app development, such as hybrid or web-based app development. This is because native apps are able to access the full range of hardware and software features of the device and can be optimized for that particular platform. However, native app development can also be more time-consuming and expensive than other types of mobile app development, as developers need to create separate versions of the app for each platform they want to support. Additionally, updates and maintenance can require separate efforts for each platform, increasing the overall cost of development. Hybrid app development refers to the process of creating mobile applications that can run on multiple platforms, such as iOS and Android, using a single code base. Hybrid app development frameworks, such as React Native or Flutter, allow developers to create apps that are designed to look and function like native apps while still using a common code base. Hybrid app development frameworks work by translating the app code into native code at runtime, allowing the app to access the device's hardware and software features. This approach allows for a faster development cycle and lower development costs compared to native app development, since developers only need to write one code base that can be used across multiple platforms. Hybrid app development can also offer a number of advantages over web-based app development, such as the ability to access device features like the camera, microphone, and GPS, and the ability to work offline. However, hybrid apps may not always provide the same level of performance or user experience as native apps, especially for complex apps that require high levels of graphics or processing power. Overall, hybrid app development can be a good choice for businesses or developers who want to create cross-platform mobile apps quickly and cost-effectively, while still providing. Thank you for watching. You stay tuned for next part.